Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Netflix application not loading on smart TV. So step 1, you need to check your internet connection. A stable internet connection is essential for Netflix to load properly. 1. Test your connection. Open another application like YouTube or your smart TV to see if it works. 2. Restart your router. Turn off your router for 30 seconds and turn it back on. 3. Reconnect Wi-Fi or your TV. And 4. Switch to a wired connection. Step 2. Restart your smart TV. Restarting your smart TV can fix temporary glitches. Turn off your TV and unplug it from the power source. Wait for 1 to 2 minutes. Plug the TV back in and turn it on. Open the Netflix application and check if it loads. Step 3. Check for Netflix server issues. Sometimes Netflix servers may be down, causing the application not to load. Visit the Netflix status page, Netflix Help Center. Use a service like Down Detector to check if Netflix is experiencing outages. If servers are down, you'll need to wait until Netflix resolves the issue. Step 4. Update the Netflix application. Outdated versions of the Netflix application can cause loading issues. So you need to go to your TV application store or app settings, search for Netflix, and check if an update is available. If an update is available, install it. Then restart the application. Step 5. Clear Netflix application cache. To settings or long press Netflix, go to app info and then tap clear cache. Now restart the application and check if it loads. Next is uninstall and reinstall the Netflix application. Reinstalling Netflix can fix deeper app-related issue. So long press the Netflix, uninstall, go to your App Store or your Google Play Store, and then reinstall the application again. And then last step, if you have turned on some VPNs, you need to disable VPNs or proxies. Turn off your VPN or proxy service on your router or TV, and then restart your TV and try accessing Netflix again. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.